fun day, right?
Normal day for...
Yeah, normal day for you. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Skittle Fabs, and I'm out here at Full Throttle out in Largo, Florida. And right behind me is actually the all-wheel drive Civic that the Boosted Boiz own. Now, it's on the dyno. We're gonna see some numbers. We haven't seen any yet, but they've been strapped up, and the tuner just got here. Everybody, it is your boy Skittle Fabs. It is beautiful outside, even though you can't see it outside because there's a bunch of dew on the windows. Guys, I don't want to talk too much. We're off to Full Throttle in Largo. Hopefully we can get there before the Boosted Boiz show up with their all-wheel drive Civic. I saw it last night, you guys. I mean, it is ready to be boosted. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment, notification, like, all that stuff, and stay tuned. Boosted Boiz are not here yet, but Daryl and Ricardo are working on Ricardo's, I guess, street car that he is playing with. But I'm saying, it's getting stupid hot, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of these sweatpants and these shoes real quick. Way better. It is hot outside. It is 77 degrees today. Thank God, because I do not like being cold, and that's why I'm down here in Florida. But look, I'm at Full Throttle in Largo. Go see what Rick's doing real quick.
Easy peasy lemony squeezy.
How's it look? Woo! That's the first time I've ever seen one installed.
Yeah, it's pretty much all bolted.
Well, you guys, Boosted Boiz showed up. The car's in the trailer over there. Hear that, you guys? You guys hear that fuel pump? Alright guys, we're just putting this onto the dyno right now. He disconnected the drive shaft from the transmission.
No, you gotta go the other way.
So he's gonna do front wheel drive because the fact that Ricardo only has a front wheel drive or just a single dyno over here, so he can't do the all-wheel drive even though he converted it to all-wheel drive. So they're strapping it down right now, you guys, and then they're hoping to get 600 horsepower. What, between 6 and 7?
Somewhere in there.
Somewhere in between 6 and 7, which is a pretty nice, solid number. So, especially with our hatch, it's fully gutted, see? Hoping we get some good numbers and I can bring it to you guys on the channel. If you guys are liking this so far, subscribe, hit that notification button, and comment down below. On the dyno, the tuner's there. tuner is just dealing with a few things on the laptop before they go ahead and actually put some pounds down. Basically talking about how he realized that the motor mount bolt was actually loose, so he had to go ahead and tighten that while the tuner did some few things with the laptop. So they're about to start it up in a second. See? No. Oh. That's what I know. That's crazy.
pretty spot on right there.
Yeah.
That's right where we need her to be.
Yeah, everything looked really good. The corrections, like, it's flat.
You alright, Lexi? You alright? Probably a couple more PSI to go, but these choke out at the high 600 range, so. But with our account. Yeah, that's up there. You get some back pressure built up and everything.
I'm hoping to see 700.
Maybe we should bring in a bigger housing in our, put it on our trailer in case we need a little extra sauce.
I'd turn it down a little bit, hook up the all-wheel drive stuff, and call it a day, dude.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
I mean, anything over 600 all-wheel drive is still pretty good.
For real.
5%? 5%. We're like 42.
That's badass.
Yeah, it is.
It's been good.
Good.
So we got a motor mount to figure out. And
Trailer build.
yeah,
Still a bit to do.
knock that out tonight. Alright guys, we are calling it there. She made just over 30 pounds, and as you saw, 656 wheel horsepower. Now that is going to be slight.
So they're gonna tune it down just a little bit, that way they can go ahead and do the all-wheel drive. And they're trying to get to the mid-9s on the track. He's actually gonna be hooking the all-wheel drive system up and bringing it home. He's just going ahead and filling up real quick.
That's gonna be fun figuring out. Sure I don't get it all out.
Send it. 656. Jump for the wall. Yeah.
You got it. Good job. You're good.
Right, keep on going. Straighten it out. Over here, Lex. Just about to, get going. We got a cop across the way. We're hoping nothing happens. Ricardo's putting all the cars back into the shop, so we're gonna pretty much make our ways today. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification button so whenever I upload, which is sporadically, randomly, and all that other stuff, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about today's video, which is a little bit different than the SRT4 content that I usually have, but we are in the SRT4 shop here in Largo. Drive safe.